Here comes Brandon. Look how well Brandon's doing, I tell ya. He wants a new video game, so I told him he got to do 200 laps if he wants his video game. By the time he's done with his video game, he's gonna be so good at dirt bike riding. He's not gonna matter about videos. Look how well he does his turns. I gotta show you the beginners how they can't even make these turns. Yeah, now watch my son. He's like a pro, I tell ya. Zooming in and out. Look, we got all the barriers up now. You're gonna have to follow the track now. You don't have no choice. Once you go in, you can't come out. Look how cool this place is. Pretty soon he'll be just laying the bike down, whipping these turns. Look at that. It's like a maze. Once you go in, you can't come out. Here comes Zach. Let's see how well Zach does this. Oh, look, he took the option around the tree. Nice, see? See? All you gotta do is create an option, and they will take it. Look how good. Look how good these kids. Oh my God. So we're doing dirt bike training once or twice a day. We got 2 today. We got 2 tomorrow. I didn't even start advertising this. By the time I'm done advertising this, they're gonna start doing dirt bike training 5 days a week, 5 times a day. Yeehaw. Look at this, the whole backyard is clay, 100% clay. Only $5,000 to make this thing into a road. How cool is that, right? Look at that. Look, Brandon's way up there at the top of the track over there. Look at that. There's a whole beginner track up there they gotta do before they can even come over here. Alright, so this is the track. 99% done. All I gotta do is go on Monday and beat code enforcement to make sure that they let me shoot this track. Welcome to my life. Code enforcement, breaking the law.